So we did a session called 365 Days in Your First Faculty Position, trying to make every day count. And so we really looked at it as an opportunity to take, an appointment to a faculty position, which can seem like you're the only one, and tried to, give attendees the opportunity to ask questions and learn the best tips and tricks related to, here are some of the things that you need to do. Here are some of mistakes that previous people have made, and, ideas and guides for being successful.
It was really geared towards just kind of giving them the tips and tricks that they need and kind of the tools that they need to be developing in order to move into that position successfully and smoothly. There's a lot of things that kind of have to go into that. So the earlier that they can kind of prepare and get their ducks in a row, so to speak, the easier that transition will be ultimately for them.
Our society really felt like, leaders in our society can kind of give back to these trainees and give them an opportunity to, get some best practices and, some of the, hey, I wish I would haves ahead of time.
It can be very overwhelming. You've kind of gone from this position where you're very mentored, you always have somebody that you're kind of reporting to that's kind of helping you along, to a lot of that support system is now gone. You're the big dog now. You're kind of in charge of building your team. And so a lot of that support network feels like it's not really there anymore. So it's good to be very prepared going into that. That way you know where those resources are, that way you can kind of hit the ground running.
I hope that they gain some confidence, a little bit of reinforcement in that, yes, you can do this, even if there are going to be things about this position that you may or may not have learned in the past, experiences you may or may not have had. But yes, you can do this, and there are a lot of other people that can support you and help you and you can reach out to. So instead of looking at it as you're a mentee only, you can also become a mentor and then find those senior faculty that can help you along that pathway as well.